Welcome to the Weather Center. This Monday we have stormy weather that has set in over much of the interior, and thundery downpours are possible this afternoon over parts of the Northwest, Free State and KwaZulu-Natal. At the same time, light rain is expected for the eastern parts of South Africa. However, it's going to be mostly sunny and warm across the western areas. Now here on the latest satellite picture, we have this area of high pressure which is pushing rain clouds into parts of Mpumalanga and Limpopo. We also have a lot of storm clouds streaming into the Northwest, Free State and extending down into the southeastern areas. Clear skies are dominating the weather across western South Africa. Now, for the rest of your Monday, we are going to have isolated to scattered rain and thunder showers across the eastern half of the country. The storms could be widespread over parts of the Northwest, Free State and KwaZulu-Natal. In the meantime, it's going to be mostly sunny and warm to hot across western South Africa. Now, this afternoon, you can expect scattered to widespread thunderstorms in the areas you see the dark shade of blue and the shading of purple across the Northwest, Free State, the eastern areas of the Eastern Cape and much of KwaZulu-Natal. Isolated rain and thunder showers are possible where you see the lighter shades of blue across eastern South Africa as well as the eastern areas of the Northern Cape. Now, you will need to watch out for heavy rains that could result in localized flooding in the areas you see the shade of amber across the central areas of the Northwest and the eastern parts of the Free State. We also have a warning in place for high fire danger across the southwestern areas of the Northern Cape, extending down into parts of the Western Cape. Light to moderate winds are forecasted this Monday across much of the interior. It's going to be rather breezy, however, for East London and Port Elizabeth, where winds will gust to 40 kilometers per hour. A southerly breeze is forecast around the Cape Peninsula. It's going to be sizzling hot this afternoon across the western parts of the country. We will see temperatures reaching the mid and upper 30s in most areas. Uppington making it to 37, 35 in Vredendal. Cape Town and Sutherland should hit the 30-degree mark. We are expecting warm to hot temperatures across much of the Eastern Cape. Warm as well for the eastern parts of KwaZulu-Natal, Richards Bay making it to 28. It's going to be mild for much of the Free State. Johannesburg 26, a high of 28 is forecast for Pretoria. If you're in Bloemfontein, it's going to stay showery on Tuesday, but dry weather sets in on Wednesday with temperatures warming up to 32 degrees. 32 as well for the high on Thursday, with thunder showers returning to the city, and the thunder showers should intensify as we get into Saturday. Then for the rest of South Africa, Tuesday is going to see isolated thunder showers across much of the interior, light rain and drizzle for George and Port Elizabeth. We stay with light rain on Wednesday around George and Port Elizabeth, and thunder showers are forecast for much of the interior.